In this video, you are going to see how to make the square shape in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape. If I draw it like this, it will not be square actually. So again go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and hold down the Shift key and drag it over here like this. Then it will be square. Here you can see the height and width. Now select it. Go to shape fill, you can change the fill color. Go to shape outline and you can give a outline color or you can make it no outline. Click on right button, go to format shape, go to fill, you can apply a gradient fill color very easily. Or you can go to pattern fill and you can choose a pattern from here. You can change the foreground of the pattern and you can keep it like this. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.